Here's an update on what I've been doing this week. Last time I checked in, I was in the initial phases of building an MCP and hosting it on kagent, which is an AI client, and I wasn't anywhere near. Since then, kagent has released version 0.6, which has got some huge changes in the way that everything communicates, and I was able to actually completely deploy it and host it on my Kubernetes cluster and run my agent. And I'd like to share that with you. So I'm going to go over to my YouTube. Here's my channel, and here is one of my videos, which, yeah, I don't know. But anyway, I've taken the ID code here, and here is my hosted AI client. Now, this is running on a local cluster, so all the memory is local as well. It's stored in a Postgres. And yeah, all I'm going to do is I'm going to paste in here my URL, or rather just my video ID. On the right hand side, I can see I've got my tools, which is my Git video info, which was the tool I built in a previous video. And then I can see here that my agent's running it. So it's used the tool. There's the parameters that it's passed through, and there's the result. So that's the tool part done, and here is the LLM part, where ChatGPT has gone and created me a markdown, proofed, ready, reproofed document, ready to be posted as a blog post, which is disgusting, really, because, yeah, I mean, that looks all right. It's got correct headings, it's got correct subheadings, it's got bullet points, it's got tags, it's added, yeah, references in my channel. It's, what more could you want from this? Obviously, I've built this tool to pull my videos and create blogs, but if you were so inclined, it's not locked to anything, because transcripts are actually completely public, right? Good old Network Chuck. I remember Network Chuck from way back when he was just doing Cisco stuff. Here we go. Let's test this one by actually just pulling the entire URL and see what happens, right? I'm literally telling it nothing. I'm just posting the URL in here. This is like crazy. Will those do anything right now? It appears the video does not have an available transcript. Why is it? Oh, it's because, okay, maybe I need a new chat. This is the first time I've done it. So let's go like this. Let's see if it has an available transcript. I wonder if it doesn't. Maybe. Maybe not. It looks like it's doing something. It's making a call. It's using the tool. And I'm guessing it's a longer video. That's why it's taking, how long is it? It's 20 minutes. So yeah, that's a much longer transcript. But, you know. But whilst that's going, I can actually just show, look, here we go. Wow, that wasn't bad. Oh man, that's awful. You need it right now. Boom. I suppose there's a couple of use cases for this. Let's say actually you want to know how everything's done, but you want it kind of like dialed down. So you could actually use this to pull it and then condense it and summarize it, and then you could have it sent to you by like email. You could email it to you, and then you could just read it. You can probably set up some of your favorite subscribers and that whole thing. That's a different kettle of fish. But you could also just have it converted to like MP3 and listen to it. That's pretty cool. So I wouldn't have to listen to his whole video. I could just read this blog and pretty much know exactly what he was talking about. Yeah, multi-uses, multi-purpose. Yeah, but I'll show you quickly how this is all kind of configured. So I actually built a sort of like upgrade gotchas for part of the community and just making sure that anybody else gets caught out by some of the stuff that I did. But long story short, these are like the three main manifests. So I've got my agent details here, which has A2A configure skills here, but it has the tool, right? This is our tool that we built and defined. Here's the tool reference, which is Git video info. That is then sort of, the agent picks up the tool via a Kubernetes service, which is like, standard resource. that's here. This is nothing special. This is just a normal service with a couple of special annotations so that the MCP discovery tool on kagent picks it up. So is it a service? Yes. This is the port it works on. I don't actually think these are required, but they're helpful. These are the interesting ports and the ones that are required, and that matches up to the bespoke service, the bespoke resource, which is the MCP server, which here you can see matches up. It runs the Python application, which is using FastMCP, and that's it. So this is everything that this does. Very cool, very simple. And yeah, this is what I've been up to this week. If you're interested in a full demo of kagent, feel free to comment down below and we can work on that. Until next time.